Hey guys, it's a great day, it's a wonderful day. I welcome you all to our channel IELTS Preparation Ludhiana. And in case you don't know, I would like to tell you that we provide you with the latest updates with your IELTS speaking test exam questions, right? So without any delay, let's dive into the recent test of August 5th, 2020 that has appeared just a few days back. So in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please like, share and subscribe to keep getting the updates. So the question is application you like to use. Now this is an application you like to use. It could be WhatsApp, Instagram or Facebook or any beauty application or any shopping application. ये किसी भी तरह की application हो सकती है. Which app is it? ये कौन सी ऐप है? When did you use it for the first time? आपने first time इस application को कब use किया था? And why do you like to use it? आपको इसे use करना क्यों पसंद है? Right? So guys, I tell my students always to make sure of the tenses. The first one calls for present tense, जिसमें आपको present tense use करना है. The second one calls for the past tense. इसे आपने past tense में बोलना है. And the third one again you have to switch to the present tense. फिर से आपको present tense में switch करना. Now, the introduction. In this tech-savvy era, it is quite appealing to be well versed with any popular social media application, and it spoils or pampers its users with a shed load or a plethora of practical benefits and a measure of an acceptable status in a generation of technophiles. Now, a tech-savvy, I have written in black and bold letters the vocab words that I'll be explaining you briefly. In this tech-savvy era, is tech-savvy era में tech-savvy means it's technology, the era that is prone to technology, which is good in technology and inclined towards it. It is quite appealing, काफ़ी appealing है to be well versed, to be an expert with any popular social media application. किसी भी popular social media application के साथ well versed होना, उसमें एक expert होना काफ़ी appealing बात है. And it spoils or pampers its users with a shed load or a plethora of its practical benefits. और ये अपने users को अपने practical benefits के साथ shed load of, plethora of means a multitude of, abundance of practical benefits, a number of, बहुत सारे उसके एक abundant practical benefits के साथ उनको pamper करती है. And it provides them with the measure of an acceptable status, और उनको एक measure of acceptable status देती है in a generation of technophiles. Technophiles किस generation में? Technophile means as a person, technophile is a person who is tech savvy. Simply the person who is inclined towards technology, who is good at technology, advanced in his technical skills. So उसको along with the benefits ये क्या देती है कि acceptable status देती है इस technophiles की generation में. Coming to terms with my own moderate skills. Now here I have talked about my own moderate skills. Moderate means neither high nor low, na high or na ही low. So that's about me. So in this coming to terms with my own moderate skills in this highly technical globe, I am most attracted to the appeal and convenience of Instagram, which is a top-ranked application of its kind. जहाँ तक की बात मेरे moderate skills की है इस highly technical globe में, तो मैं सबसे ज़्यादा attracted हूँ appeal और ease, convenience, जो कि Instagram की है, जो कि एक top-ranked application है अपनी ही type की, right? It is interesting to figure that I actually first learned about this app while aimlessly, without any aim, scrolling through another celebrated app of its time, that is the Facebook, which later, quite intriguingly, got overtaken by Instagram within a short span of time since its launch. ये काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग है फिगर करना कि एक्चुअली मैंने सबसे पहले इस ऐप के बारे में कहाँ से पता किया, while aimlessly scrolling through another celebrated app of its time, that is the Facebook. Aimlessly means without any aim, without any purpose. जिस तरह से हम scroll करते हैं ऐसे ही मैं एक बार Facebook को scroll कर रही थी and I came across the advertisement of Instagram. So I became interested in it through that another celebrated app, another popular app of its time, that is Facebook, which later quite intriguingly, again intriguingly means interestingly, got overtaken by Instagram within a short span of time. जो काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंगली Instagram के द्वारा ओवरटेक की गई बहुत ही शॉर्ट स्पैन ऑफ टाइम सिंस इट्स लॉन्च. उसकी लॉन्च से थोड़े ही टाइम के बाद इंस्टाग्राम ने फेसबुक को ओवरटेक कर लिया. सो all these sentences I have written in complex and compound so that you can aim for a better score. Right? Next one. It was of a surpassing value in its popularity and user friendliness. ये surpassing means better value, काफ़ी आगे और काफ़ी ज़्यादा range में उसके ahead है of its popularity and user friendliness. Moreover, it's quite thought-provoking that Instagram almost stole myriads of Facebook addicts to its novelty, ease and promptness and its advanced interactive platform and auto updates. Now, it was of a surpassing value in its popularity. वो अपनी popularity में surpassing value की थी, means वो Facebook को surpass कर रही थी अपनी popularity और user friendliness में. Moreover, ये quite thought-provoking है कि Instagram ने myriads means multitudes of Facebook addicts उनको stole कर लिया because of its novelty. उन्हें चुरा लिया because of its novelty. Novelty means newness, नया जो चीज़ नहीं होती उसको novel कहते हैं. Ease and promptness. Promptness means the brief and to the point feature. Then and the quickness and the advanced interactive platform and auto updates. It stands unmatched for its user frequency for years now. ये काफ़ी सालों से इसकी जो user frequency है, जो population है users की, the frequent visitors to Instagram is unmatched. वो सबसे ज़्यादा है comparing with any other social media application which can be accredited. Accredited means जिसका credit हम दे सकते हैं to its high amiability. Amiability means friendliness and suitability for all age groups ranging from toddlers to the elderly. इसका हम क्रेडिट किसको दे सकते हैं? उसकी हाई फ्रेंडलीनेस को और सूटेबिलिटी को सारे एज ग्रुप्स के लिए, रेंजिंग फ्रॉम टॉडलर्स बच्चों और बच्चों से लेकर एल्डरली पीपल, जो एजड पीपल हैं उन तक, सब लोग इसको बहुत, सबके लिए सूटेबल है, बहुत ईजिली इट्स एमिएबल टू देम, बहुत ईजिली इसको यूज़ कर सकते हैं. सो दैट इज़ द रीज़न इसकी यूज़र फ्रीक्वेंसी सबसे हाई है. Right? So guys, once again I'm going to let you know that I have written the sentences in the complex sentences so that we can aim for a higher band score, that is 7+. Now, moving on, my love for this app remains constant owing to its simplicity and precision. This is the answer to the last question. ये last question का answer है जिसमें उन्होंने पूछा है कि आपको इस app को use करना क्यों पसंद है. My love for this app remains constant owing to its simplicity and precision. मेरा जो प्यार है इस ऐप के लिए वो कांस्टेंट रहता है क्योंकि ये बहुत ही सिंपल है और इसकी प्रिसीजन मीन्स बहुत ही टू द पॉइंट और ब्रीफ है. अलॉन्ग विद द मेस्मराइजिंग, यू मस्ट हैव वर्ड, ये वर्ड आप बहुत बार सुन चुके हैं. मेस्मराइजिंग मीन्स बहुत ही चार्मिंग, बहुत ही मोहित करने वाला. फीचर ऑफ काउंटलेस रैंडम ऑडियो विजुअल कंटेंट दैट नेवर फेल्स टू फिल माई फीड with aesthetic, innovative, inspirational and informative sites. So the feature of countless random audio-visual content that never fails to fill my feed with aesthetic, innovative, inspirational and informative site, which means जो कि सबसे पहले इसकी precision की वजह से और इसकी simplicity की वजह से, और दूसरा इसकी mesmerizing feature जो countless random visual content, audio visual content जो ये post करता रहता है unfailingly, endlessly post करता है Instagram with a very aesthetic means beautiful, related to beauty. It could be natural beauty or fashion or any kind of beauty. Innovative means creative and new, discovering new thoughts, new things, innovative, new ideas. Inspirational and informative sites, कुछ भी ऐसी sites, कुछ भी ऐसी audio visual content जो आपको aesthetic लगता है, innovative लगता है, उसके साथ आपकी feed को ये fill करता रहता है. It is never empty. Yet the list goes on and on. इसकी लिस्ट हम it goes on and on, it is endless. इसकी लिस्ट, इसकी क्वालिटीज़ की लिस्ट हम on and on छोड़ते हैं because it's endless. इसको कभी हम ख़त्म नहीं कर सकते. So we are pointing to the two main features that attract us as the speakers. So now we leave it as such. Now the last one, to conclude, I would recommend this application to my peers and colleagues, and I'm highly grateful to have come across such a useful application as this. तो to conclude, मैं ये एप्लीकेशन अपने peers को यानी अपनी एज मेट्स को और अपने कॉलीग्स को recommend करती हूँ, एंड आई एम हाईली ग्रेटफुल, मैं बहुत थैंकफुल हूँ कि मैं इस एप्लीकेशन के बारे में जान सकी जो कि इतनी यूज़फुल है. राइट गाइज? सो आई होप द वीडियो इज़ क्लियर टू यू, द क्वेश्चंस आर क्लियर टू यू, and you can give your feedback in the comments below, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.